Hello and welcome to the course navigation video. This video is to show you the best way to view the content of your course. What you would do is you want to hit content on top in the blue toolbar, and we're in the start here course orientation area. So you would have the welcome letter, the syllabus quiz, the student introduction. When you view the content from this side, it does give you tips on what you should be doing. Like here, read the syllabus carefully and frequently to make sure that you remember important information about your course policies and due dates. All the units are set up the same exact way. Like for Unit 1, we can go in and look at it. Here we have your learning outcomes, we have your assignment, we have typing games, and your timed writing. It shows you pictures of everything and how to complete it. Now in this memo in Unit 6, you're going to see that we have something a little bit different. We have, let's see, the memos ebook. This is a short ebook that is designed to teach you all about memos. So you would click on that. And your ebook will load right up for you. So to maneuver this, you can either click on it or click the arrows down here, and it takes you all through your memos ebook. So I'm going to go back to content, and you can click on any unit. Again, they're all set up the same way with all tidbits of information on this side. But each unit has everything self-contained, so what your homework would be and everything for Unit 2 is all here in Unit 2. I hope this video helped you.